it easy down through here. Ugh.
What a cool place this is. Real pretty. It's not, I don't know if this is it's not natural, but it is. The rocks are actually are obviously natural, but then there's like a dam at the top that was man-made. Beautiful place though. There's the old girl. I'll have to get a little picture of her today.
I took a couple pictures there. Enjoyed the little view. And onward we go. Forgot to put on my gloves again. There's some cool little offshoots off this road that once hunting season's out, need to go explore. And on the CRF, now that I'm close enough that I can CRF, this isn't far for the CRF. Another neat dirt road. So up here, it's one of those, there's you little doggies. One of these dirt roads that you kind of, it's hit or miss on how you want to really hit it or not. It's a beast of a road. I don't know how it's gotten better or worse. Yeah, this is not a road I really want to go on right now. I wasn't looking for a crazy adventure. I was just looking for a little adventure. This road is beastly. It goes from a really nice road to that little road there to this little nice gravel road to not much of a gravel road to non-existent road. Good sign there, rough road, to say the least. But I don't know if they have fixed. Oh shoot! Maybe they haven't fixed it. Gonna bring the TJ out today out here and check this out. I'm not far from my house right now, so we'll turn around if it gets pretty bad. Let's go over here. Yeah, this is a little more adventure than I really wanted to get into today. If this road is still as bad as it was at one point, this place is medieval over here. Pretty nice, huh? Gets to a point of no return right up here. where it's either you go or you stay. I haven't been on it in a while, so I can't, not really gauging very well whether it's been fixed a little bit or not. There was a point, oh, I think it's right up here, or there, and it just became a canyon. It wasn't even a rut anymore, it was a canyon. Looks like, oh, they fixed it. They fixed it, which is good and bad. This was just one big rut. And it was pretty beastly, still pretty. Oh yeah, there's still, what the heck, why did they fix this much and not all of it? Take it easy down through here. Ugh. Hopefully it doesn't get worse. Nope, they fixed it. This was really, really bad before, like, it was pretty monstrous before. Getting pretty out. Come on, son. Come on out. So slippery. You can take a line, but sometimes if the bike doesn't like it, it's going to go the other way. Like, nah, I don't like that line. Let me take my own line. See if I can get up. That's not something I should try to do. Sometimes it's just get in the lowest line and go. Whoa, paying attention the wrong way. Oh, this is sand here. And again, a little bit of speed. If you get the right speed going, you get the right, correct speed, you don't have any problems with it. You'll slip and slide, but you won't. You know, the bike's going to just keep going. The weight of the bike, just keep it going. But just a little too slow, and you will lose it. And if you're not experienced enough, a little too fast, and you will lose it. This is a little more adventure than I really wanted it to take today through here, but it's fixed a lot better than it used to be. It's all good. Sometimes this is completely just the river coming over, and it's just a little creek there. It's not much of a creek, but sometimes it's just nothing but water flowing through. On the CRF, that joker's a blast. On this bike, it's a little more challenging, just the weight. Alright, we'll loop around and what time it is? 11:24. Man, wow. Been riding for an hour and a half. And it's been sweet because I started. I mean, the moment I left the house, 5 minutes later, I'm already on dirt. And good dirt. Once again, it's good dirt, not just dirt. It's dirt that leads me somewhere. Look at that. Beautiful. flat. Here's our third little wood bridge of the day. At a waterfall, we've had 3 wood bridges. We had a little too much excitement. Ooh, this one's big. Yeah, that's what she said.